Hello everyone, here I'm trying to get rid of two of my Corne keyboards. So I nowadays only use Corne keyboard and I have so many of them, so I try to sell the ones I don't really use. So I have one that is 5 columns and one that is 6 columns. So I'm thinking of $100 for each of them. So it comes with basically everything except the keycaps. If you want keycaps, then it will be additional price. And now I explain why this is $100. It's basically the material cost. So I ordered PCBs from maybe it's called JCB PCB, some website from the design itself. So it's only $10 for 2 PCBs, basically just one keyboard. And then the case, I either bought it from some website or ask someone to 3D print it for me. So that cost about $20. For the controllers, for Corne, it's a split keyboard, so it has 2 controllers, so it will be $10 each, so $20. For switches, it could be any price, but I think the one I paid probably $20 to $30. These are the kangaroo. I think these are the pandas. And for both of them, it comes with carrying cases. So I don't really remember how much I paid for them. Let's say it's $15. So it adds up around $100. And there are some other small parts. So let me just show you how they look like. So this is the one that's 5 columns. This one actually has the better case. It's a 3D printed case. It's very, I mean, it's not the low profile switches, but it is a pretty low profile case. You can see it's not those very high ones. And also, by the way, I don't really use RGB light, so there's no RGB. It's just the switches. I only put in the diodes. And these ones are the kangaroo, which is pretty popular, and they are tactile switches. I don't really remember. It's probably more than $20 for these. Anyway, so this is the 5 column one, and let me show you the 6 column one. The 6 column one, this case comes from the Little Keyboards. I probably bought the kit from Little Keyboards as well, and it used to be pretty smelly, the case, and now after some time it is fine. And this is the simple case, which is the what is it called, a board case. It's basically the switchboard, the PCB, and another board at the bottom. Oh, I actually put some stickers here, which if you don't like, you can just get rid of them. And I think this is the pandas. Now, let me just don't mess up with it. And this is some MT3 switch keycaps, which if you want, I can sell it too. Yeah, nothing special. Okay. So if you're interested in buying, you can contact me on Discord. I will leave my Discord account in the description. I will also add some details about those components if you're interested. That's nothing really worth mentioning except the switches. I can leave you information about the switches. Okay, that's all for this video. Let me know if you're interested. Also, the shipping is separate, so it will be $100 plus shipping. Okay, thanks for watching.